I'm Candace.
I'm Cadence. I'm Ray.
And this is Building My Veggie Garden.
Hi everyone! In this episode, we join the Griffins to learn how to grow yellow squash.
Hi, welcome.
Okay, so guys, last time we planted our spinach. So this time we have to decide what we want to plant next. So I got two options for you. We have carrots and we have our yellow squash. Now, if we plant our carrots, you guys get to enjoy baby carrots after the show. And if we plant our squash, you guys get to get yellow squash spaghetti. So which ones do you want to plant?
Irvin, which one do you think you want to plant?
Yes, the yellow squash. Okay, that sounds delicious.
Yellow squash is an annual summer squash native to Central America and Mexico. Remains of seeds have been found that date back as far as 7000 BCE. Explorers such as Christopher Columbus brought squash back to Europe and spread it around the world. Modern-day yellow squash developed from the wild squash found in an area between Guatemala and Mexico. Squash became popular in Europe and hybrids started to appear like zucchini bread from Milan in the late 19th century. Today, summer squash varieties are popular among gardeners and commercial producers in Asia, Europe, and Africa.
Now that we've decided what we're going to plant, we have to decide which pot we're going to use. So do you guys think we can plant our yellow squash in this pot?
No, it's too small.
It's too small? You think that one, Irvin? Well, what about this one? I think this one may be okay.
No, it's still too small. It's gonna be long. It's gonna be longer.
But the seed is this small.
It's gonna grow to be bigger.
Oh, so it's going to be bigger than this pot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what about this pot? Can we plant it in here?
Yes.
That's perfect?
Yes.
All right. Well, now that we know which pot we're going to use, we have to figure out what spot in the yard we're going to put it. Now, the yellow squash needs a lot of sun. So where can we put it where it will get a lot of sun?
I think we should put it like right here.
Over there?
Yeah.
That may work. But let's put it closer.
Okay.
Irvin, you think that's a good spot?
No.
Thumbs up. Is that a good spot, Irvin? No. Okay.
I think it is. So we just got done putting the soil, and now we're gonna crush up these eggs and put them in the dirt, like sprinkle them over the dirt. It's food for the plant. This is fun. This is our last scoop and we're going to put it in. This is it, and this is how you plant a yellow squash.
Yellow squash can be planted directly in the ground or transplanted. When planting the seedlings, they must be 3 inches tall. Plant the seeds or seedlings at the start of spring. They must be 4 feet apart in an area where they get 6 hours of sun a day. Yellow squash is an avid feeder. The soil must be rich in compost and good drainage. Light mulching is recommended. Yellow squash could grow an inch a day, sprouts in 3 to 10 days, buds in 35 to 45 days, ripens in 50 to 70 days, could be harvested after 45 days. Yellow squash is loaded with nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin C, folate, magnesium, fiber, and many minerals that help restore energy. They also increase vitality. Yellow squash slows down the aging process and is beneficial to eye health. It also helps to prevent cancer. Yellow squash also reduces blood pressure levels and makes the bones stronger. Be careful not to consume it in excess because it could cause bloating and indigestion.
I'm going to show the kids one way that they can eat their yellow squash. So here we have our yellow squash. We have green onion. We have bell pepper. We have our Parmesan cheese and our broccoli pesto. We're going to turn our squash into spaghetti by using this spiralizing machine to make it look like it is spaghetti. And this is how you make yellow squash spaghetti.
That yellow squash spaghetti looks really delicious. We want to thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next time when we will have more about veggies and recipes for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Until next time, keep fighting the battle of the veggies.